half a mile from the county fair, and the rain kept pouring down. Me and Billy standing there with the silver half a crown. Hands are full of a fishing rod and the tackle on our backs. We just stood there getting wet with our backs against the fence. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. I don't care if it rain all day. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like jelly roll. And it stoned me. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like going home. And it stoned me. Rain let up and the sun came up. We were getting dry. We almost let a pickup truck nearly pass us by. So we jumped right in and the driver grinned, and he dropped us up the road. And we looked at the swim and we jumped right in, not to mention fishing pole. Ooh, the water. Ooh, the water. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Let it run all over you. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like jelly roll. And it stoned me. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like going home. And it stoned me. On the way back home, we sang a song, but our throats got awful dry. When we saw the man from across the road with the sunshine in his eye. Well, he lived all alone in his own little home with a huge big gallon jar. There were bottles too, one for me and you, and he said, hey, there you are. Ooh, the water. Ooh, the water. Ooh, the water. Ooh, the water. Got it myself from the mountain stream. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like jelly roll. And it stoned me. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like going home. And it stoned me. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like jelly roll. And it stoned me. And it stoned me to my soul. Stoned me just like going home. And it stoned me. And it stoned me. And it stoned